So this is a short video about head muppeting. Now, what is head muppeting? Head muppeting is the business of keeping the character's head moving while it's speaking the dialogue, so that we actually know that the character's talking. Take a look at this shot of Morpheus saying a line of dialogue.
I can't take it anymore!
So this is Morpheus saying a line of dialogue from Aladdin, which is spoken by the parrot. He says, I can't take it anymore. Now, if you look at this shot, you can see that the head of the character, I'll just take the volume way down so that we don't hear it too loud.
I can't take it anymore!
Now, in this case, you can see we need quite a bit more head muppeting. The head needs to move more. I'll just turn off the visibility on the curves so you can see it.
I can't take it anymore! I can't take it anymore!
Especially on Take It. We need a bigger accent there. Head muppeting is very similar to the concept of hitting the accents, which is developed by Richard Williams in his book, The Animator's Survival Kit. So in this case, we need to hit the accents harder and have more head muppeting.
Take it anymore! I can't take it anymore! I can't take it anymore!
So let's turn the curves back on and see if we can't do that. So what I'm going to do is go to the perspective view where I can zoom in. I'm also going to turn off the set. You can see I've got it here on a layer, so all I've got is the character in the environment. And I'm going to select the head control, which is what I'm using for the head muppeting. We're on stepped curves, by the way. This is a stepped curve approach to animating a shot, so all of the curves here are still on stepped curves, roughly on 4s. The next stage, once I'm happy with the head muppeting, would be to spline the curves. So what we want to do here is make sure that the Y rotation, that we're really hitting that accent. So we go from take it anymore. Notice also how I've got the head control on this shot, on this character. The eye direction control is focused. Actually, I'm not sure where the eye direction controller is right now. I probably turned it off. But even if I turn the head, the character is still looking in the same direction. You always want to do that so that no matter what you do with the head, the character is always looking straight ahead, because we're always looking at someone, or almost always looking at someone when we speak. So there's actually a blog post on this. If you go to the blog and take a look at why this blog post, Why Eye Direction Matters, from March 2018, you'll see how actors hold on to each other's eyes. There's a little clip from Michael Caine there talking about that. And there's a little video here, how to use the eye direction controller. You can see that the 11 rig here, she's looking at this character over here, represented by this block of geometry, which is actually going to be off screen. So behind the shot camera, there's the shot camera there, you can see 11 is talking to a character off screen, but the eye direction controller is attached to the character, so that no matter where 11 looks, she will always be looking at the eye direction controller. So it's the same in this shot. So what you want, just to return to the accents here, we really want a nice big accent here. And I'm going to really move this head around here. So take it any. And then let's go back there. Any more. Actually, let's keep going up. So any more. And then go down.
Take it anymore! I can't take it anymore! I can't take it anymore!
So that's I've probably now overdone it slightly. So if I go and take a look at my curves there, I can reduce that a little bit so that it's not quite so extreme.
Take it anymore!
If if we go there and turn the visibility off, turn the set back on, and just see what we've done.
I can't take it anymore! I can't take it anymore!
So there's still quite a lot to fix here, but that is much. We've got the head muppeting much, much bigger. We've made the performance much larger.
Get anymore!
Now, I don't say that's perfect, but that is, it demonstrates the point that in order to really believe that the character is saying the line, especially if you've got a big, accented, loud line like this, you've really got to keep the head in motion. So the principle is, if you want us to believe that the character is speaking, keep the head moving, and that means head muppeting.